How to find holiday girlfriend in Pattaya. Please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to stop missing out on future videos and fantastic information. Holiday girlfriends in Pattaya are a cheaper alternative to spending money every night on hookers to get sex. These are real women in Pattaya who you can date while you are here on vacation. You can spend time with them and engage in casual sex, as much as you please, without spending any money. People are making holiday girlfriends for this very reason in Pattaya. You can find an online girlfriend if you register on ThaiFriendly.com before your trip. Pick any woman you like, and if she is interested in you, you can date her for the entirety of your vacation. These girls are eager to meet you and have sex. They are adventurous and love trying new things. So, you will have no trouble finding a vacation girlfriend in Pattaya as a solo traveler.